Welcome back to this new video of Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with one of the best AI video generators, which is how to use it in creating amazing videos in just minutes. So InVideo AI is harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to streamline some video creations. Simply provide a text prompt, a URL, or your own media, and InVideo AI will generate a complete video with visuals, music, and even voiceovers, and it's perfect for marketers, content creators, educators, and anyone who needs engaging video content quickly and efficiently. So the very first thing I wanted to do, of course, is to talk a little bit more about the key features on InVideo. So in this tutorial, we're going to be walking you through some of the InVideo's AI most powerful features, including the turning your text ideas into full videos, converting blog posts and articles into engaging video content, letting AI write script for you, adding realistic AI voiceovers to your own voices, and so much more. So first of all, you first needed to sign up and navigate to the dashboard. You have the link down below in the description to do this process really fast. And when you do, what you need to do is just to provide an actual let's say an account as well as a passcode. Once you have now filled that information, the next thing you need to do, of course, is to focus into the step number 2, which is the text into video. You can see that we are now inside this text into video. Let's start with the text to video feature, which is incredibly powerful. So just type into the video idea or the script. Let's say, for example, that I want to be creating an actual idea of a dark night fighting, or let's say arriving through to a tower protected. This prompt should be with generated media, new voices, plugins, and so much more. I'm going to be using this prompt so I can copy it. And one of the best features that you can do directly here into the artificial intelligence is that you can use, for example, ChatGPT. So I'm going to open any tab. I'm going to open ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, let's say, for example, I am using InVideo. Help me get more specific with this prompt to get better results. And I'm going to open these elements and I'm going to paste this style. What the application is going to be creating, of course, for me is to get better results for the InVideo's AI. So this is my prompt: a dark night arriving to a tower protected by a huge blue dragon in a dark fantasy style. This is a redefined version. A dark night in black gothic autumn with a glowing red sword rides a black horse across a foggy moonlight landscape approaching a tower storm processed. A massive glowing blue dragon, blah blah blah. Concept art style, cinematic dark fantasy, wide angle shot, dramatic lighting. Really important to be really specific on what you're actually aiming for. Once the AI generates the initial video, you'll be taken to the editor where you can just review each scene, change the suggest video clips or images with the options for the best stock library. You can edit the text over Rails, you can choose different music tracks, and even select from various AI voice-over options and upload your own voice recording. What I can suggest to you, you can repurpose your content. Let me explain this a little bit more. I'm gonna just go back. You can see that, of course, this idea was generated with some media library that is already been created. So I didn't think this is gonna be really generic and really important, because at the end of the day, this is not just telling my story. This is just for creating some generic text, and that is not what I'm looking for. So let's go back. Let's go for create a short video. Create a fast-paced video for YouTube Shorts about, and I'm going to be pasting once again my prompt, which is in this case, for example, this one. And here into my settings, we can use only generated clips, and we can choose to add background music, watermark text, music preferences, languages, subtitles, voice actors, and much more. When I choose the option that says only, here are my new settings, and when I generate my video, it should be, of course, telling me that I can be using less credits before the InVideo will be thinking of how it should be creating my actual video. Once you finish with the process of this video, what you need to do, of course, is to download it and you can edit it. So now And the InVideo can even help you to write with the video scripts. You can provide a topic and the AI will generate a script you can then use to redefine if you wanted to. You can also explore more advanced customization options like adding your brand logo. You can use your brand logos and choosing different video transitions. But in this case, I can focus on now. There's a Pro AI, there's Sora, there's so much more InVideo AI. Videos can be helping you closer to get started with the actual InVideo AI. So it can be really helpful to generate, for example, some videos for YouTube, and of course to generate stuff that talks a little bit more about your dialogues. But you wanted to actually generate stuff with artificial intelligence, I believe that InVideo is a little bit more of really more powerful tools to get started in. But basically, here, if you have tried InVideo AI or other generators, you can let us know into your experience. You can share your thoughts and your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools, how you can get started here with the AI tools and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully, we can all see you next time.